In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple digital signatures on one document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end, you'll be able to prepare a PDF for several signers. Collect each signature in the correct place and confirm that everything is valid and secure. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Head to the Tools tab at the top and choose Prepare Form. This mode is designed for adding interactive fields to your document, including digital signature fields. It's a good idea to save a backup copy before you start, so you always have the original file untouched. With Prepare Form open, select the digital signature icon from the toolbar. Click and drag on the page to draw where you want the first signature to appear. You can reposition or resize the field so it lines up neatly with any signature lines on the page. Repeat this for every signer you need, placing each field in the correct location. If your document has multiple pages or specific sections for different people, scroll through and lay out all the fields now. Consistent sizing and clear placement will help signers know exactly where to click. When your fields are in place, close the Prepare Form editor to begin signing. Click the first signature field. Acrobat will open the Sign Document window where you can choose your digital ID and select the appearance you prefer, such as showing your name, reason, or timestamp. When you are ready, authenticate with your digital ID to complete the signature. Acrobat will apply the signature and prompt you to save the document. Saving at this point preserves a reliable record of the signature you just added and prepares the file for the next one. For the remaining signatures, follow the same process. Click the next signature field, select your digital ID, confirm the appearance, authenticate, and save. Be sure to save after each signature. This incremental saving ensures each signature is locked in and remains valid as new ones are added. Once all signatures have been applied, Acrobat will display them as valid. To double-check, open the Signature panel. There, you'll see each signature listed, along with validation details and timestamps. This panel provides a quick way to confirm that every required field has been signed and that the document's integrity is intact. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.